So good morning students. Today we are going to see graph through Tableau. So as we see, this is my Tableau screen. We are going to take the data source which is already been supplied to us, that is the superstore. So let's work with it. You click on it and if you see, this is your worksheet which is currently blank. If you see here, there are tables like order, people and return are the three tables involved into the superstore. Then these are all fields, okay, and these are measures. If you see, measure names, profit ratio, latitude, longitude measures, okay, so these are measures. Okay, dimensions, we don't perform mathematical functions, and measures are normally your numerical values. Okay, so in this particular session we are going to see how we are going to use graphs. And if you see this particular here, it is show me, which is going to suggest me which graph I can use or which pictorial representation I can use. Now Tableau is so nicely made that it automatically segregates your dimensions and measures. Okay, so it is showing us these are the tables and these are the measures to it. Okay, so let's start with it. The first thing we are going to see, profit by category and subcategory. So this is going to be the insight what I want. What is the profit by the category and subcategories? Okay, so now I want to see the category and subcategory, so that has to be displayed or dragged to the row. So let's do it. In product you have category and subcategories. Okay, so you have to click on product, drag this category to my rows section. Okay, it just needs to exploit. This is how it is done. The category is furniture, office supplies and technology. Now is the next is your subcategories. So there it is, subcategories. Now if you see this, furniture can have bookcases, chairs, furnishing tables, and office supplies will have appliances, art, binders, and technology will have accessories, copiers, and so on. Okay, so now on what I am going to see, so profit by, so I have to drag this profit, okay, this profit to my column section. Can you see this? It is showing me the profit by categories and subcategories. The moment I put my mouse here, it is going to give me technologies and all that. Okay, so this is showing me the visualization graph. Okay, this is an horizontal graph which I am going to see. Now if I click on sum of profit, now this is all blue color. Now I want something with different colors. So what I'll do, I will pull this and put it into my, can you see this? I am dragging it and just releasing my mouse. So if you see this, it is going to give me different colors. Okay, so you can select colors. If you see this, this is the negative, so your profit is in negative of your furniture, which is subcategory tables. So this is an insight which is shown to me that my profit is in negative. So I should think of taking much care on the sale of furniture, that is tables. Okay, so this is going to be like the left is low and the right is high. So profit here is low and this is high. If you see, this is the highest profit. Okay, I'll just click on show. Okay, here it is. See, the profit is high over here. I am using this color. Now you can also change the color things also. Okay, so you can change, right, edit colors. You can edit the colors. Okay, now if you want it more of, you don't want this, you want green color. Okay, so let's go ahead with it. See, if you see here, now the green color is with apply and I say okay. Can you see this green color? So I can change the colors as well. Now this is profit. Now next we'll see profit by state. We'll change the font and size also, right? So now I am going to click on state, location, just double click on it, and here you see state. Okay, either I can take another. Okay, before that let me change the name of the sheet. I want the name of the sheet to be profit by category. So either you write here profit by category and sub category. Okay, so click here and here it is. You can see the name of your sheet. You can also change the font of it. Okay, just click on 20 and here you can write profit by category and sub category. Okay, I can change the color as well. Let me play with the colors. See, you are going to explore more things the moment you try to apply those things. Okay, see, can you see this? It has been changed. Again you can change the color. Let it be a little bit of dark color. More colors you select and select this. Okay, and do this, then select more colors, go to this, I write bold and increase the font. So I apply and okay. See, can you see this? Now my P has been left, so let's complete that also. So what is that? 20. I will select again and say 20, select the color from here and you can of your choice. Okay, so this is profit category and subcategory. Now let's do another function where I am going to select another new worksheet so that we understand everything in detail now. Okay, your first sheet is done. Now we are going to see profit by state. Let's see how is the profit done by the states. Okay, so let's see. I am going to drag this state and put it here. Okay. Okay, so what we have done here, we have dragged the state provinces and I have put it onto my region. Now what I want profit on state. So let me again select the profit and put it back here. So can you see it is showing me the profit here, profit 0. This is profit 0. Profit bin has not been tracked. That means just give me a second, students. Okay, let's drag this profit here, not that. Okay, so here is profit. So let me remove that profit bin back. We don't want profit bin, so let's put it back. Okay, great. So now this is profit. If you see, if you drag it here, it is going to give me profit. Now I was telling you all that show me, tells me or depicts or guides me which graph I can take. So this is called as field map. Now this is very difficult to understand because it is just showing balls, circles and the names. So it is very difficult to interpret what or which state is making the highest profit. So this is called as field map. Let's click on it. There you go. See, the United States is having minus because if you remember in last sheet, the yellow was showing me negative profit. Blue is showing me highest profit, right? This is how it is. Now let me change the color of it. Let's go ahead with the color change. You click here, you change the details. You can write the tooltips. Come back here again. Okay, I've done something blunder. Just give me a second. Go back with all the things. Okay, so again I go back. This is where I was. Now let's change the color, edit colors. You can change this color. Color palette can be changed. Okay, again let me something take as red. Okay, apply. Okay, see, the red is here. Okay, so this is how you can play with this. Again, now let's write the name to it. So you can go directly from here. So what I had written, profit by state, profit by state, and I am going to change the font. Let me change the font type. You can change the font type as well as if you want Times New Roman or you want Arial. Do you have Arial? Let me select, let this, you change the font, you change the color, okay, and then you apply and okay. So there it is, your profit by state. Okay, you can also put the tooltip over here, so this also can be done. So there are many things where you can play with your own graphs. Okay, so here if you see profit by state, okay, I select Control C, apply, okay, I put it as sheet name of profit by state. That means I am equally saving my worksheets. Okay, now this is one profit by state. Now let's play with another measure, another dimension, that is we are going to see profit by manufacturing. Okay, so now here I am going to see the manufacturers. So let's see, we are going to drag this manufacturer. Please see this, you need to read the tables, what fields are available. So in orders you have name, customer, and then location you have country, region, order date, order ID, product, okay, profit bin, many things. So this I don't want, see, it's just on click it is getting over there. So now let's start again. As I said, profit by manufacturer, so the manufacturer's name is going to be taken into my columns. Okay, so where does manufacturer's name go? Here it is. Okay, in product there is manufacturer, so let's drag it to the column section. Okay, please remember the dimensions are always in columns and measures are always in rows normally. Okay, and you go for profit and I drag it to my rows. Okay, so this is how it is, and it is very difficult to understand. So what I am going to do, I will swap the rows and columns. So let's swap the rows and columns. This is the swapping of rows and columns. I'll just swap. Cool, it is better to understand. If I, the moment I swap the rows, see 3 strings table pack, it is only 17 is the profit, and if you see Activa, the profit is 4760. Okay, so this is how it is going to show. Okay, now so you can also increase this row. Okay, this can be done, or you can drag your manufacturer to the label sections. There you can see the labels onto your profit part as well. So again here, as I said, you're going to play with it. Okay, now I will remove this back and I will show you how to sort your manufacturing by fields. Okay, so you are going to write this manufacturer into the filters. Okay, and now either I can sort the manufacturers, this is one method of doing it, or else you put your manufacturing here, click onto it, and then if you see here it says sort. So I click on sort and I say put it into a descending order. Okay, so that means I'm going to get the highest profit up and then it goes on the to lower. Okay, so it is going to sort for me. So here it is sorted very nicely, the name has been sorted and I can see the values here. Okay, so now I'll say again, I'll go to sort. Okay, so here sort by, you can say data source order and then you can just close it, that means it is sorted. Again you go back, you show, you sort, and this is where I was trying to do it alphabetically. Sort you can do by field. So profit is there, sum is there, so you can sort according to it as well. See, so again, as I said, you're going to play with the graph and find out what else you can sort it out. Okay, so this is how you're going to change the schema as well as of the color. So color, will it change? Let me check. Yes, there it is, the colors. So again, this gives you more good visualization, good insight of your business. Okay, again let's give the name to the sheet. It is saying it is profit by manufacturing, right? Profit by manufacturing. So you will understand which manufacturing is having how much profit. So it is profit by manufacturing. So there it is. So we are done with profit by manufacturing. Okay, so now we can also give quantity to the rows. Okay, so let's try this out also. Quantity, if I put it on rows, this will not give me a better idea. Let's send it back. Okay student, so we have seen the graph of profit by manufacturing. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we will be seeing of more graphs, filters, all those things. We are going to see area of a chart, pie chart, histogram. So let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Have a great day.